I think what students get out of these courses is practical experience that they can apply on their project sites. And the course that I'm teaching today is called Restoring and Creating Wetlands. And this course is all about how to successfully build a wetland that looks and functions like a natural wetland.
We're working in the field when we come to these kinds of courses. We're digging in the dirt to see how the soil is classified. We're looking at water flow, hydrology and hydrogeology. It's not just theory, it's applied science and applied theory. Everything at work. The information is working right there and they're actually part of it. For professionals that are going straight back to work, there's a really good chance that they're going to be involved in a project that is going to require them to do the same exact activities that they just did in this course. And we're looking at what the industry is telling us to do. So we do a really big needs analysis, not only with the student, but also with the industry and the employers. When we're hiring instructors at the Faculty of Extension, we really look for subject matter experts. We're looking for people that work in the field, because then that gives our classes the unique access to people that are actually working right alongside the students that they're teaching.
There is a tremendous opportunity for students to learn from each other. I think that's probably one of the things that the students like the most about these courses. All of us bring experience. All of the things that we're doing in this course are things that they will need to do at their job at some point. So they're not just learning about how someone else does it, they're actually doing it themselves and getting real experience, real hands-on experience that they can apply day to day at their regular job.